You've talked to an AI chatbot. It's clever, it's fast, and then you ask it to actually do something, and it kind of just hands the work back to you. Now watch someone open a tool like Cursor or Claude Code, and the same kind of model is reading their whole code base, writing a feature, running it, seeing the error, fixing it, on its own. Same brain, wildly different results. So what's the difference? It isn't a smarter model, it's the harness. Here's the idea for a 15-year-old. A large language model, the brain, is like a car engine. Incredible piece of engineering. But an engine sitting on the floor doesn't take you anywhere. You need the whole car built around it. Wheels, steering, a dashboard, a fuel line. That car is the harness. The model is the engine. The harness is everything that turns the engine into something that actually drives. Or picture it this way. The raw model is a genius locked in a white room. No hands, no phone, no memory of yesterday. Ask a question, you get a brilliant answer, but it can't do anything. And the moment the conversation ends, it forgets you existed. The harness is what gives that genius hands, a notebook, and a way to check its own work. So what's actually inside a harness? 4 parts. Once you see them, you'll never look at an AI product the same way. Part 1. The loop. A chatbot answers once and stops. An agent works in a loop. It reasons about what to do, takes one action, looks at the result, and then decides the next step. Reason, act, observe, again and again until the job is done. Researchers call this pattern reason and act. It's the single biggest reason an agent can finish a real task instead of just describing it. The model didn't get smarter, it just got to take more than one swing. Part 2. Tools. This is where the genius gets hands. On its own, a model can only produce text. A tool lets that text do something. Run a piece of code, search the web, query a database, send a request to another app. The model says, I want to run this. Your harness actually runs it and hands the result back into the loop. Take away the tools and the smartest model on Earth is still just talking. Give it tools and it can act on the world. Part 3. Context. The model has no long-term memory. Every turn, the harness has to hand it the right stuff to think about. The goal, the relevant files, what happened 3 steps ago. That's context. Feed it the right things and it feels like it just gets it. Feed it junk or too much or the wrong slice, and the same model looks lost and forgetful. A huge amount of the magic in a great AI tool is nothing more than really good context management happening quietly in the background. Part 4. Verification. The best harnesses make the model check its own work. It writes the code, then it runs the test. The test fails, it reads the error, and it tries again before it ever shows you the answer. That single habit is the difference between a flashy demo that breaks the moment you touch it and a product you can actually trust. A demo answers once, a product checks itself. Put those 4 together around a plain model, a loop, tools, context, and verification, and you've built an agent. Some harnesses add a 5th piece, sub-agents, little helpers the main agent can spawn to go handle a piece of the job in parallel. But the core 4 are the whole trick. Now the mystery makes sense. Drop the exact same model into a bare chatbot and into a serious harness, and you get 2 completely different creatures. The chatbot, one shot, no hands, no memory, no self-check. The agent, a loop, real tools, curated context, and verification. Same engine. One is sitting on the garage floor. The other is a car. And this is the thing almost nobody outside the field realizes yet. The models are starting to converge. The frontier labs are all excellent and getting closer to each other. So the race is quietly moving from the engine to the car, from the model to the harness. Anthropic ships Claude Code and an agent SDK. OpenAI has its Agents SDK and an agent mode in ChatGPT. Google is wiring agent tooling around Gemini. And open-source frameworks like LangGraph let anyone build the loop themselves. Different cars, similar engines. You already meet harnesses every day, even if you never heard the word. Cursor and Claude Code are harnesses wrapped around coding models. GitHub Copilot's agent mode is a harness. ChatGPT's agent mode is a harness. When one of them feels like magic and another feels dumb, 90% of the time it's not the model, it's how good the car around it is. So, 3 things to take with you. 1. The model is the engine, the harness is the car. When you judge an AI product, you're judging the whole car, not just the horsepower. 2. A good harness is 4 things: a loop, tools, context, and a way to check its own work. If a tool has all 4, it can finish real jobs. If it's missing one, you'll feel it. And 3, when an AI feels dumb, it's usually a weak harness, not a dumb model. The same brain in a better car will surprise you, so try the better built tool before you blame the intelligence. The engine was never the whole story. The car around it is where the magic actually lives. This was AI Actually.